So yeah, I'm back with it. And my friend Jeff is gonna play it. He's gotta play it. He's gotta play the game. My friend here, he's gonna play. So yeah, he's really good. He's got actually a really sick class, like probably like the best class in the world. He's got like a really good class one, really good, and he's sick with it. Real good. That's his account I made for him. He loves this map. He has 4 against 5. No, puts like 1 player, and there's 5 against it. And then plus himself, and it's 6 against it. So we're just gonna wait for him to do this thing. Okay, so he's gonna go for that. Oh. What is? I can see more. So he's going to get into it. So we're just waiting for it to load, and you'd see how good he is. Let's see. Oh,
Team Deathmatch.
His choice. His choice.
Alright, Alice. Let's keep this quick and clean. We're on the clock.
Okay, that was really good. Okay, so this is him. He just does the keyboard stuff like mad. He plays mad at this game, guys, just to let you know.
Gun down.
See, you could see how good he is. I think I know what he's gonna do after this. I think anyway. Oh, what a kill! By him! Not actually me.
Blink kill.
No. Ah! Ah! Oh, hi. So yeah, I don't really know what to say. I don't know. Oh jeez, I don't even know if he wants to go on. If he's gonna go on. If he's gonna go on the other class he made or not. I don't know. So yeah. So yeah. bullets for him to kill it. When it's like two people, sometimes he kills them, sometimes he kills one, really hurts them, and then someone else just comes along and kills them. Like, that happens to me as well. Like, oh yeah. See, look. He's got